If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to way. Cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it popping like a pinball. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend no. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights out. Ex text me how I sleep, said what the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.
What is good, y'all? A do-rag sway is in the building, man, and I'm in the Honda I've been trying to sell, but don't want to sell. The other day, I literally thought I blew my turbo. Yeah, I like floored, like to go around people. So I floored it, and then it starts like sputter, and then all you heard like a loud ass like the turbo spill, and then the car went into like full like lit mode and do like nothing at all. And I had to coast it to AutoZone or restart the car, and then it started up just fine, and I drove just fine. So yeah, that was pretty weird. But I'm going back to the dealer where my car was at before because there was cool people over there to have them change spark plugs and coil packs. I can do it myself easily, but I'd rather let the dealer do it because this gets some guaranteed fix. And if they happen to drop a spark plug in my car, I get a new engine, so even better. So for free. Appreciate all y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and I like those new Civics. Oh, you can't even see my damn tint, but yeah, I like those new Civics right there. I want to get one. Obviously, I back the car, so not leave my car there because they say they'll need my car for like a day or two. And no, I'm not. Nah, I need my car today, so. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. I figure since I'm right by the motorcycle dealer, the one I was originally trying to go to, literally like around the corner up the street from it, I might as well stop by because they are open today. I came here, but they was closed. I should notice because look at all these cars. There was not one car over here. It was like two cars here. This is probably the one.
Well, this is it, man. If this works for you, you can go over to my desk and check out financing options.
Perfect.
Yes, excellent.
Yeah, I'm gonna check out the accessories and all
For
that.
sure, man. Let's just get everything started.
Oh shit.
I always wanted what's that bike called? A Hayabusa.
Yeah,
But
man.
those are
insanely good.
yeah, those are dangerous.
So at one point in time, the Hayabusas were the fastest production motorcycle in
Yeah.
the world. Well, fastest production vehicle.
Yeah,
You're
exactly.
faster than every other car too.
Oh yeah, cause my friend he has one. I always wanted to shoot flames either out of my car or the bike. Always wanted to.
You'll see, like those Busas, it's insane what they do when they tune them.
Yeah.
Because some people, I don't know if you've seen this, but they'll stretch them, they'll put a turbo on it, and
Yeah.
then they'll add a bottle of nitrous.
It'd be. I'm like, man, fuck. Cause did you watch the 1320 channel?
1320, yeah, the racing channel.
Oh, fuck, they be flying with with twin turbo Lambos. It's like they're routed. I was like, fuck. Oh yeah, I don't know how they do it. That's like
It's insanely quick.
too scary.
See, the problem with those sort of bikes is you're fighting the front end of the bike all the time.
Yeah, because like
Because it's just
easily
wanting to
just
come
lift.
up. It has so much power, it just wants to come up.
I'm like, man, I can't do that. That's super scary.
Felipe, this is Sway.
How's it going?
Sway's looking into getting fitted for some gear.
Okay.
He's buying his first bike today.
Cool.
Awesome.
Appreciate
You're in
it.
good hands.
All right. What bike are we getting?
Oh shit, I forgot the name of the bike. I don't know.
What bike is he getting?
It's the blue one over there.
A what?
Yeah, it's the blue one. I don't know. Yeah, I came in originally for the what is it called? The 600RR.
First things first. How much are you wanting to spend on a helmet?
The good question. I don't know. These helmets are
that
expensive.
at about $100, and I have helmets that are like a good whopping $600-700, depending on which one you want to go with. Either way, both helmets are still good quality, just depending on how much you're wanting to spend. Because I know a lot of people, they drop what they can on the bike, but then they come here and they're like, oh shit, I need
Yeah.
this other stuff too.
That makes sense, yeah.
It's all up to you though. I mean, it's good if you start off with a great quality helmet, and
Yeah.
then from there it's gonna get difficult to try to drop down to anything else.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so
Or
you just
if you
go
wanna
with.
start somewhere where it's like your beginner helmet, you want to get used to that, and then upgrade later down the road. That's totally cool too, just depending on what you want to go with. But again, depending on what helmet we have you try on, we have to make sure it's comfortable for you. Because I can rave all I want about Shoei because I have 2 of them myself.
You always want
want
to show it, yeah. Always
want
want
you
to.
for whatever reason, no matter what size we have you try on.
Yeah.
It's just not going to work out. And you have to look at a different brand and whatnot. But the Shoeis right now, they're a good, maybe $500.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that one right there.
Which
Hey,
one?
like this one right here. I always like.
Graphics?
Yeah.
Yeah, the mirror one, that one's pretty cool.
Oh yeah, I like helmets like with graphics, like with graphics for some reason. I like this one right here.
Fast House?
Yeah.
Nice choice. Okay. So I only have 2 of them right now, which is in the medium and the large. If
Yeah.
you want to try on the large, I have an XL too, just in case, if we need that one. But if you want to try on the large, just to see how that fits, that we can go with that, and it starts at $5.99.
Yeah. I think I'm a large. I'm trying a large, please. For now.
It's their top of the line race helmet. It's going to be one of the lightest ones that they have for that specific model.
Definitely no.
Really snug. Keep in mind that trying to fit your head in through here is always going to be a little bit on the difficult side the first couple of times, just because this is fairly new. But with the time, that part of the helmet has enough, I guess you can say, space to give. Yeah. So it'll break and it'll soften up over time. So try this one. There you go. That's in the center. Open this up. Yep. So how does that one fit?
Better than that one. I still feel what's the word?
Snug? Tight? Uncomfortable?
Claustrophobic. That's what it is.
Okay. Are you claustrophobic?
No.
Okay.
Not just still with this helmet. It's like super like on my the cheekbone area. Oh, I forgot how like buying a bike is like buying a car. I've been in for an hour and a half. Just running numbers, doing just the basic shit. But, not gonna lie, I always want a dirt bike too, or like one of them right there. I don't know, but the bike I'm trying to get is right there, and somebody just bought a bike. They just rang a damn bill or some shit right now. So, man, hopefully all goes well. If something goes wrong, obviously you'll see too. But yeah, I'm just giving an update real quick. I'm telling you how everything going, but tell me, I'm still dipping with taking the helmet off. Feel me? So we gonna see, man. Hopefully everything goes good, but the banks, trying to prove my income is pretty hard. I'm not gonna lie, because I don't get like a direct deposit. The only ones I get is from Instagram or YouTube. That's the only direct deposits I usually get. But they have insurance. Fuck. So I'm trying to do an insurance quote, and it came out to like $400. But apparently, for somebody for the first bike and no motorcycle license, that's actually pretty good. But the salesman I'm working with, a cool dude. He said he knows a lady at Geico that I might be able to help. So hopefully that goes cheaper. Cause fuck, man, getting that damn bike is shit. Man, but see the tires over there burning out. So I'm gonna do, man. If I do get this bike, I have a shit ton of videos I do, man. Like a first video is obviously take delivery of my first bike. The second video, first ride on my bike with I have a shit ton. Fucking shit, doing a burnout, learn electric wheelie, all that shit, man. Yeah, the green one right here probably be best looking one.
On which ones it is you want to go with. I would recommend something that has some type of protection like this, because you know how when you're on the freeway and a rock kicks up and it hits the windshield, and that potentially sometimes breaks the windshield.
Yeah.
Well, let's just hope it doesn't break your knuckles. And from what I've heard, that hurts really, really badly.
Oh yeah, because sometimes like I'll be filming outside the car and a rock will like hit my hand.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because it actually hit right there. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that just stings. So I just want to make sure you have something on your hand. Something preferable like this, or if it's not the carbon fiber stuff, something like this too, but just some type of heavy-duty knuckle protection, just because we don't want any injuries on our hand, especially on a bike and whatnot. But
yeah, I got a match. Okay, let me see. Because I have OC with matching.
well, right now I don't think I have. Well,
yeah, nothing gonna match with the green jacket.
I have these, but the thing is, I don't know if I have those size. This is.
I'll be I think a large, extra large. Because the bike is blue, navy blue. That's green. The helmet.
The helmet is like hints of blue and green.
Okay.
And it has red in it too.
Let's see.
It still has that same flat seat.
Yeah.
So you're more comfortable than most sport bikes. This one also has risers instead of clip-ons that are normally lower.
Oh yeah,
If you
for
check out
the handlebar.
that sport bike down there has them all low. This one has risers. So you're more upright, more comfortable.
And what's the price difference between this one and the other one?
This one, that's going to be your subtotal.
Does like after tax and everything?
That's
or?
before tax.
So it'll be like the same price then?
It'll be close. I know that this one was
6. Oh yeah, that one was 6.
6.5, and this one's 5.
So it'll be 6 instead of 7.
It's roughly $1,200 cheaper.
Yeah. I do like the looks of these two. There's one option. And then what about the different ones? This one is optional.
Yeah. Anything other than that, I do have a. This one right here is a 650 though, so the price is going to be very similar. I have a Ninja Z400 that just came in. Everything's like that.
This is the one I actually came in for besides the 300. But these are also nice. These bikes are. Look at that paint. But no, this is the one I originally came in for. Because I'm not going to be driving a highway. It's going to be just a cruiser, one day a week type bike. Yeah, the other bike, I wanted to put down on $3,000 on a bike. I might as well buy a bike in full. I could buy this bike in full for $3,000. So that's why I didn't go with the blue one you guys seen. So it was either this one or the Ninja, the white 300 over there. But this is the one I originally did come in for. So yeah, man. So y'all gonna get the real gist of everything, because getting a bike, it's just like a car. I gotta go through everything, the banks, and see if you get approved. So good thing I did get approved for a luxury loan. So that's one of the hardest things to get approved for. So tell you, man, that credit plays a part. So yeah, I got approved for a luxury loan. But the only thing I didn't want was $3,000 down. So, and I could put two down easily, but for a bike, I wouldn't put no $3,000 down. No, sir.
$85 will cover your documentation fee. So this is your subtotal here. This is going to cover California sales tax, and then this is going to be your DMV. So your total's right there, $6,356 with 82 cents.
Getting there, man. Getting there.
Yeah,
And then main thing I was worried about was down payment.
This is the financing, right? Down payment, it went down from, what was it, 3,000?
It was like $3,200 down payment compared to the goal I was going for.
It was
2,000.
2,000,
Yeah.
right? So there you go,
max,
just
like
slightly under 2,000.
Yeah.
You're at 1,950. For 42 months, this would be your minimum payment.
$265.
with 11 cents.
Easy.
And that would be your APR right there.
Easy. So yeah, this is compared to the blue bike I was trying to get over there, a lot more comfortable. But yeah, the down payment was not something I was trying to do. This fits my down payment. So Might have to buy on this one.
When I say buying the bike is a long ass process. So good thing I got a good friend, employee / mentor, Corey. He called me at the perfect time. I was literally about to sign my life with this bike, but he called me because I haven't told you guys don't know, but CarMax offered me well over what my payoff is and how much I owe on my car. Plus, he's pretty smart. I literally never have anybody in my car with me. I literally always drive alone. My car note, I don't want to talk about that. I pay for a car I don't even want. Yeah, because we all know I don't want my Honda. I don't want that shit. So that's a good idea. So I'm gonna go to CarMax first, sell my car, come back here with him, and then we gon' get everything all situation, man. God's timing, man. So we're gonna do the come back because my phone charger is over there. I was charging my phone, but yeah, I'm gonna come back today or tomorrow. I'm not gonna lie, if I see a car at CarMax that I do like and CarMax giving me a good deal, I'm not gonna lie, I'd rather bite on another car than a bike. Plus, I low-key wants to start over with a new car anyway. It's like, I don't really care what car, but I'd rather start over with something new. I'm tired, bro. It's already like 4 o'clock. I've been here since 11. The dude is trying his best to not let me walk out of here because he knows I'm trying to tell him I'm come back. Shit, I just want to go to CarMax, sell my car real quick. But he's trying his hardest to keep me here so I can put down the down payment and give him a sale. I keep telling him, like, bro, I'm finna just walk out this shit, bro. If I have the perfect opportunity to sell my car today and come back while I had time, I might as well go do that. So yeah, he made up a lie or something. I'm assuming Salve, because he just said, let me be right back. So I think that pays me. I think the banks might have done something better to help your down payment. Hey, brother, I'm already tired of shit. He was cool, man. Just keep being cool. I'm trying to sell my car to CarMax, bro. Yeah. Fuck. The bike is cool. I like the bike. But shit, I'm gonna change mine on buying the bike if you keep doing this shit. That's one thing I don't like about fucking dealerships. It's like, especially in sales, when selling a car or bike, they like trying to sell. But before we started talking on numbers and everything, he was cool, man. We was talking numbers, talking about like bikes, cars. Cool dude. But yeah, man, I'm telling y'all, man, you gotta keep your foot down, man, because or you're gonna let these dudes get over on you. But I could have just left, but my charger is in this damn drawer. And I don't want to grab my charger and dip, but I can leave right now because it's gone. Could leave, but I'm being a cool dude. I'm trying to stay to help him. So, yeah. Well, I'm giving him 5 minutes for shit. Hey, man. But this one, I do like. So, yeah. But it's a down payment. There's always a factor.
I'm tryna fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have nothing, baby. I don't even wanna go back home. Hopefully you don't.